Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of motion in a plane. The question here is a body is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower and strikes the ground after 3 seconds at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the tower and the speed with which the body was projected. Take g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. First of all, we see diagrammatically what the question want to tell us. So this is a vertical height and this is ground and the body is projected horizontally. This is the height, or we can say vertical distance y, and the body is projected with initial velocity u in the horizontal direction, and the body will move in a parabolic path and hit the ground, and when it is hitting the ground its velocity is in this direction. So this is its horizontal velocity and this is its vertical velocity, and this is the angle body makes with the horizontal. So now we see what is given to us. Given to us is time in which it reached the ground is 3 seconds, and the angle it is making beta is equals to 45 degree. So now we see what formula we will be using. Formula, now y is equals to uyt plus half gyt square. Since the body is being thrown horizontally, uy is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 0 plus half gyt square, and also we know that gy means acceleration due to gravity in vertical direction. So we see what will be the solution for height. So our y is equals to half gt square, half g is 9.8, time given is 3 seconds, 3 ka square, that comes out to be, after solving this, the value of height is coming out to be 44.1 meter. Now again we see for initial velocity. Now we know that the velocity will be 10 beta, means the direction of final velocity is Vy upon Vx. And since tan of beta is 45 degree, so this is equals to tan of 45 degree, and tan 45 is 1. Therefore, Vx is equals to Vy. And we know the value for Vy. Vy is equals to Uy plus Gyt. Again Uy is equals to 0 and Gy is equals to G. Therefore, Vy is equals to Gt. So what will be the value for Vy? So Vy is coming out to be 9.8 into 3. On solving this, we get Vy is equals to 29.4 meter per second. Now since Vy and Vx are equal, therefore Vx is also equals to 29.4 meter per second. Now Vx is given by ux plus gxt, but gx is always equals to 0 because there is no horizontal acceleration due to gravity. Therefore Vx is equals to ux, or that is equals to 29.4 meter per second. So now we see what is the answer of this question. The answer comes out to be the height of tower, height of hill is 44.1 meter and initial velocity with which the body was thrown is equals to 29.4 meter per second. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.